Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Today's video is going to be quite an interesting one as we'll be discussing the update related to the production and delivery of TEJS Mk1, Mk1A, Mk2 and LUH. So let's get started. Indian Air Force has ordered 40 Tejas variants in the initial and full operational clearance configuration. It includes 32 Tejas Mk1 single-seater fighter jet and 8 twin-seater LCA trainer. Out of 32 Tejas Mk1, 22 fighters have already been delivered, which includes 16 IOC and 6 FOC Tejas Mk1. Indian Air Force at present has two squadrons of LCA Tejas Mk1. The first one is called Flying Daggers, which has 16 Tejas of IOC variant, and second squadron is called Flying Bullets, which has 6 Tejas of full operational clearance variant. As per the latest update from HAL's chairman R. Madhavan, the remaining 10 of the 32 single-seater Tejas Mk1 are ready, with some systems to be delivered from Israel. Then what remains is 8 LCA trainer. Air Force has also ordered for 10 more trainers as a part of 83 Tejas Mk1A order, which makes total number of trainers as 18. All the 18 trainer jets are going to be of FOC version. Once the production of remaining 10 Tejas Mk1 is complete, which seems to be almost complete barring Israeli component, the production of Tejas Mk1 trainer will commence, which are planned to be delivered by the end of 2023. The delivery of Tejas Mk1A is supposed to start after 3 years of signing of the contract between Indian Air Force and HAL, that is from February 2024. HAL will have to deliver Indian Air Force the first 3 aircraft in 2024 and 16 aircraft per year for subsequent 5 years. As per the latest update from HAL's chairman, by June 2022, the LCA Mk1A will take its first flight and another 20 to 24 months of testing, which means the production of this Mk1A will commence between Feb 2024 to June 2024, which is as per the contractual obligation, so there is no delay. The Tejas Mk1A manufacturing will progress in parallel with testing to speed up the process. To ramp up the production, HAL has also set up 2 additional assembly lines, and all 3 assembly lines are operational now. Back in November last year, we have reported that preliminary design review of this Mk2 has been completed and the fighter jet has entered into critical design review phase, which has also been accepted by Indian Air Force. This is considered as a major milestone in this Mk2 development, as this means that the design of aircraft is now frozen. A major part of CDR involves the review of airframe design, and now since it is cleared, it paves the way for the fabrication of the airframe involving fuselages and wings as a major component of the fighter jet. More than 60% of pre-flight test work has been completed, which includes the completion and finalization of cockpit configuration, sensors, antenna, process finalization for drawing release, procurement of raw material and its availability assessment, detailed design of various subsystem, finalization of SOPs for first flight. This Mk2 general system and structures are now being manufactured and other components are in development process. HAL has started building the prototype of this Mk2, which is expected to get ready by late 2022 or early 2023, post which it will take another 1 year for first flight, that is between 2023 to 24. As per HAL chief, by 2026, all the testing of this Mk2 will be completed and the production activity will be started from there onwards. Recently, the Defence Acquisition Council had approved the proposal worth rupees 7,695 crores for armed forces modernization, which includes 12 light utility helicopters from HAL. 12 helicopters are to be delivered in the first lot of the expected requirement of LUH within the tri-services, which is estimated to be 185. HAL will produce 4 limited series LUH by 2022 to 2023. The remaining 8 LUH will be delivered in 2023 to 2024. Out of the 4 LUH which will be delivered by 2022 or 2023, each Army and Air Force will receive 2 of them. From the second production batch, 4 LUH will be given to Army and Air Force. Once 12 LSP LUH order is complete, HAL will start the series production of LUH. The helicopter will be manufactured at HAL's Tumkur facility, which will be ready by March this year.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.